This is Popeyes!
Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself diva video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going on a hunt to see if we can find that Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich.
for a Tasty Finds, me and the dynamic DIY diva thought it would be awesome to try the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Keep in mind, Popeyes is a chicken place, a chicken fast food restaurant. And if you look at it's out of chicken. Here's another sign. It's out of chicken! What kind of chicken restaurant is this? Oh my gosh! So, we went to another Popeyes, and you'll just see it. Look at this video. Look, this is crazy. This is Popeyes. So, as you can see from that video, that line was way too long. We didn't stand in that line for probably like an hour to get the sandwich. So we couldn't do the Tasty Find. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for what you want next, and bye-bye.